India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers
my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
proud of
its rich
its rich
and very heritage.
and varied heritage.
And always strive
I shall always strive
to worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
To act my parents,
I shall respect my parents, teachers
and elders.
and elders.
So practice everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I praise and devotion.
I place my devotion.
In the economy,
In their well-being
in their pretty along,
and prosperity alone
like my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you, sir.